In this video, I'm going to show you a cool trick to isolate an object while you have multiple objects on a power surfacing. So as you see, I have this car here, I had a lot of bodies and I need to isolate an object and hide the other objects. So how I can do that, I'm not gonna hide every single body to isolate my part. So let's say I just need the interior or this part of the interior. I'm gonna just select, let me just hide this, okay, and I just want to isolate this part. So how I can isolate this easily, I'm gonna go to, after selecting it, go to invert the current selection. So I'm gonna just invert and then click hide the current selection. So every single piece except the one I just selected is now hidden. So I just have isolated this part and I can do anything I want here. Let's say I just want to quad fold this and quad fold, and here also. Okay, so now I just changed any parameters I wanted or changed any shape, and I can go back and unhide all. So now I just isolated my part, edited, and then I can see that it's just changed as I want it. So here is it, the change that I've made. So this is for this video and I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.